Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to prove about this one. The first thing, we know that cotang 8, that is about cosine 8 over sine 8. Cotang b, that is about cosine b over sine b. Now we can do common denominator. So this one we need to multiply by sine b. This one we need to multiply by sine 8. So we need to combine two fractions in here. Next, this is the formula and you got about sine of a plus b. So we have the formula in here. Because this is about acute triangles, that means the angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to B. So we have A plus B, so I will put C go to the right. So A plus B equals to B minus C. So I will put A plus B equals to B minus C. Go in here. Next, we have the second formula. That is about sine A minus B equal to sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine B. So that means we have sine B cosine C minus cosine B sine C. So this one that is about number 0. This one that is about negative number 1. Now we can simplify and you got about sine C. So we have the next one. So 8, that is about C over number 2. Because number 2 multiplied by C over 2, you got about C. So that means this one we change for C over number 2. So after you got this one, we transform sine C into this one. Now we need to focus about sine A and sine B. So we know that A and B are acute angles. That means A and B, they belong to the quadrant number 1. So we can know that sine A is greater than number 0 and sine B that is greater than number 0. So in this situation, we can use about AM, GM. So that should be about A plus B is greater than or equals to number 2 with the square root of AB. So small a, that is about sine of capital 8. Small b, that is about sine of capital B. Now we divide both sides by number 2. So we put the power number 2 for the both sides. So this one, that is about side A, side B. Now we have the next formula in here. So side A plus side B, that is about number 2 sine of A plus B over number 2 and cosine of A minus B over number 2. So in this situation, we can see that A plus B, that is about B minus C. So in this one, we have B divided by number 2, C divided by number 2. And we know that this one, that is about cosine of C over number 2. So we go back in here. So I will put this one go inside this one. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. Now we need to find the range of this one, and we know that the range of cosine, that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1, because this is about without the power, but we have the power number 2, so we put the power number 2 for the both sides. The range of the new one, that should be about from 0 to positive number 1. Because all the values in here, they should be about positive. Later that, we multiply both sides by cosine of C over 2 square. So this one, you got number 0. And now we combine this one. So this one is greater than this one. So I will put this one go in here. So we got cosine of C over 2 square is greater than sine A sine B. So we need to go back in here. So because this is about on the numerator, if we put in the denominator, then we change the sign. Or maybe we can put like this. So from this one, that is about greater than or equals to this one over cosine of C over 2 square. So we need to simplify cosine of C over 2, cosine of C over 2. And we have number 2, tan of C over number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.